Hello friends, welcome back to my channel if you're returning, and if this is my first video that you're watching, welcome. It's great to have you here. I'm Rachel and I'm a reseller on sites like eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. I purchase online liquidation and online secondhand items and I sell them for a profit on these reseller platforms. So today we're unboxing the Everlane men's and women's outerwear box from Helpsy Source, and if you want to see what they sent me, definitely stick around. So a few days ago, or maybe a week or so ago now, depending on when this goes live, I ordered the Everlane bottoms box, Helpsy's new assortment, and it was fire. I was absolutely in love. So when I saw that this box dropped, and I've wanted to get my hands on this for a while, but I had to get it. I know it's sort of the end of outerwear season, but I had to grab this. So it was 400 pieces on the site for $360. I do have a 10% off code. The code is oh yeah. So they let me use it on my order, but you can use it on your order too. It is an affiliate code. You'll get 10% off if you type in oh yeah at checkout, or that is linked down below. So anyway, my order was $360 for 10 pieces, making my cost per piece $36 per piece. I know that's a little bit high, but I have found that sometimes paying up for things yields a higher profit. And on something like this, I'll want to double my money, but if there's good stuff in here, that should be very easy, and only 10 pieces would make it minimal amount of work. So make sure you subscribe to my channel if you like content like this. I love buying mystery boxes, coming on this channel, opening them live with you, and then coming back 90 days later to let you know my actual results, if I actually made money, and if I would buy another one based on my results. Hit that like button too if you could. It definitely helps out my channel. Let's get right into it. So I have not opened this yet. I am going to go ahead and break the seal right now. I'll open it up, I'll show you everything, and then I do list on at least eBay, Poshmark, Mercari. A lot of times I cross-post to Kiddas and two higher end items I'll put on Destere. I do use List Perfectly, so it makes cross-posting really quick and easy. The more places it is listed, the better chance of a sale, which is what we want. And List Perfectly makes it super easy to do that. So, okay, some navy blue. It is navy blue box so far. But that's just the first two items. So here we go. Let's just dive right in and see what we've got. So this one is a size medium, and it's like a quilted, I don't want to say a puffer because it's not really puffy, but it is quilted. And this is a female, a women's, the cropped cotton liner. And it has a price tag on it of $198 on the retail tag. Okay. Next up, this almost seems like it's denim or maybe twill. This is a size small, women's. Well, it's hard for me to decipher the code, but I can tell it's a women's size small. So this is a navy blue, like maybe, it looks like a sort of like a pea coat, but it's a twill jacket. It's not like wool or anything. It's almost more like a denim, like a chambray. I guess I don't know how to describe it. It's cotton. It's a cotton jacket. This one doesn't have an MSRP on it, but it looks good. I don't see any flaws or anything. And actually, this one would probably be nice for spring because it's a lighter weight, a nice layering piece. Let me know if, by the way, if you ordered this box, I'm definitely interested to know if you received the same assortment, if you ordered it before, if it was really profitable for you. Let me know in the comments. I'm curious. This is an organic cotton filled canvas jacket, size extra small. I'm guessing this is women's, but I guess it could also be men's. It's hard to say because it doesn't, maybe it has the code on the tag. Yeah, this is a men's. This is a men's jacket. I could tell by the code on the tag. It either says F for female or M for male. So I can tell that's a men's extra small. This is the 80s blazer, size 00. Yeah, it's definitely oversized for a 00. which I think that's on purpose because of the 80s look they're going for. This one has an MSRP of $175. This is a men's, and I can tell that for sure because it has the uniform, and that's a size medium. The bomber jacket size medium. There's no MSRP on this one, but I mean, it is a really nice zip up bomber jacket. That's a nice layering piece too, I think, for transitional weather. Okay, here is another. This is the organic herringbone. That's what it said. The organic herringbone utility jacket. So I think it's kind of similar to the one we already saw. And this one is a size large. Okay. Here's more navy blue. This is organic cotton, the filled canvas jacket. This one's a navy size medium. I think this is going to be men's as well. Yeah, this one's men's. So it's the same as the black one, I think. It's just a bigger size medium, and navy blue. This one is hooded. Oh, this is a nice transitional piece as well. This is the nylon. Hang on, I'm gonna have to look. Size extra small from the Renew line. Maybe it's nylon anorak. Yeah, this is women's, size extra small. So this is another nice light jacket. Okay, two more. These might be duplicates of what we've already seen. This is the filled canvas jacket, so the men's navy blue, size extra large. We've seen this one in a medium, I believe. And then the last one is, I think, another one of these herringbone utility jackets. Yeah. This one's a size small. Okay, so this is the double button one. So I have two of these that have the double buttons now, and I've got one that has the single button. So I just want to make sure there's 10, because that is all the items in the box. Then I'll come back and I'll let you know what I think. Okay, so there are exactly 10 coats here. I'm actually kind of thankful because I was a little bit worried that they were going to be large, bulky winter coats, which wouldn't necessarily be a bad thing. Those are usually higher MSRP, and they cost more, or they retail more, so then they resell for higher. But jackets like that are incredibly seasonal, and we are in January, and right now in January, I'm not sourcing winter items like that, heavy sweaters, bulky jackets, because we're coming to a point where those are going to be like really seasonally out, and you know, they'll be hard to sell as we get closer to the spring. But most, if not all, of the jackets in here are more transitional weather pieces. They're lighter jackets. They're more of layering pieces and would be ideal for springtime. And it seems like not all of them had MSRPs on them, but it seems like the ones that did, you know, 175, 198, and Everlane stuff, it holds its retail value pretty good. So I would probably list a $175 coat at $80 to $100. So if I paid $36 per piece, I still think there's plenty of potential for me to double my money on this. Again, only being 10 pieces, and in fact, only a couple different styles. There are some duplicates of styles. So part of what I factor into whether or not it's a good box is how quickly can I list it? Is it easy to list? And I think this one will be very easy to list. But either way, I do invite you to come back in 90 days. Consider subscribing to my channel. I will do an update. I'll let you know if I do indeed make money on this one. If you want to grab this box, I do know that they have them in stock as of today. The filming of this video, they were online on the website. So definitely check it out. The website is linked down below, and my affiliate link will give you 10% off at checkout. Or if you just enter code "Oh Yeah," you'll get that 10% discount as well. And it's good anytime you shop. It's not just a one-time thing. It's not on certain boxes. It's just anytime you shop. So give it a try if you want to. Check out the website. Hit that like button on the way out if you don't mind. That really does help out my channel a lot as well. That is it for today, friends. Short and sweet this afternoon. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.